All right, we're going to do an example from section 7.3. This is pretty similar to your homework problems. Pretty straightforward problems. We've got, let's see, section 7.3, number 2. And we've got a function f of t equals 3t squared minus e to the 2t. And we're looking for the Laplace transform of f, which is a function of s. Okay, so we can use our linearity property to both break apart the subtraction and pull the 3 outside. So we've got 3 times the Laplace transform of t squared minus the Laplace transform. Let's give myself a little more room. Laplace transform of e to the 2t. So now this is pretty straightforward. We could just use the tables that we have and the derivations that we did, a couple weeks ago, which was like, last century, on deriving the Laplace transforms of the exponential functions and the polynomials. So we've got 3 times for the polynomial for the t squared, we get 2 factorial over s to the 2 plus 1 minus, now for the exponential function, we just get 1 over s minus 2. And for the exponential function, we need the domain of that function, that Laplace transform, is going to be just s greater than 2. And now we just simplify. So we get 6 over s cubed minus 1 over s minus 2 for all s greater than 2. And that is our final answer.